This is a toy police car from 1987. It was made by the Feng DYI company in Taiwan. Its design is really clever. On the bottom, it has this little wheel that turns when it drives. And because that wheel is smaller than the front wheels, it's only in contact with the ground when the front wheels aren't. What that means is that when the car reaches the edge of the table and the front wheels fall off, that small wheel engages and turns the car. In this way, the car will never fall off of a table. Isn't that cool? Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you next time.